Hey guys, it's Evora here, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new, just released Call of Duty Black Ops 3 socks. I know, it's amazing. I'm going to be showing you, so I'm going to be putting them on, checking them for size, and yeah, let's go. Oh, jeepers. I'll probably rip them. No, we're all good. There we go. Okay, look at that, beautiful. Get the little plastic stuff out. Here's me more pajamas. So let's look at the packet first. You see here, beautiful. If you can just focus on the price wherever it is up here. Oh, great! iPhone 6s quality is perfect. They're $8.99. Freaking expensive. They got some great features. Elastic band for arch support to reduce foot fatigue. Okay, beautiful. Arch support and cushioned footbed, perfect. This packet, some French because I'm in Canada. Okie dokie, here's the sock. What a beauty. Activision Publishing Incorporated. Black Ops 3 on the foot so you can't see it, amazing. Some stuff there. Oh, there's no skull on this one. Rip off. Look, so you got the Black Ops skull there. Some more writing. Let's one-handedly try this on. My beautiful toes. Is this right? Yes. I need a head mount for my phone. Selfie stick. Yeah, man. These are actually like comfy. Oh, I still have the little plastic bit. These are like so comfy. These are gonna be my gaming socks. Oh, got the little plastic bit. Okay. There we go. Nice big skull there. Some stuff around the sides. Call of Duty Black Ops 3 on the foot. Let's try the other one. I'll probably fast forward this. Bloody hard. Okie dokie, so this is the next one. It's got the same thing. Wait, does this one? This is just the Black Ops, and this one has the Activision Publishing Incorporated. Nice there. It has, you can see, just notice that that's actually like the Black Ops 3 logo. It's got like the curved in bits over there, and it goes around. So, yeah. Here they are, guys. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this amazing educational video. This has been Evora, and I'm out. Peace.